Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. We are studying mensuration chapter. In the first lecture, we have seen the formulae and we have solved some questions also. Today, we are going to solve some more questions. So see here. The first question of the day is, the diameter of a wheel of a car is 1.12 meter. Find the distance covered by the car in making 500 revolution. Covered by the wheel in making 500 revolutions by its wheel. Okay, so see here how to solve this. This is the question number 7 of your book. It is given that diameter of a wheel, see children, diameter is 1.12 meter. Question is asking, find the distance covered by the wheel in making 500 revolution. How many revolutions? 500. So children, now here you have to remember that a wheel, when wheel makes one complete round, then distance covered is equal to its circumference. This is the noted point for you. Distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference. Is equal to circumference. Only this is the noted point. Any circle, any wheel, when rotates, then in one rotation, the distance covered by the wheel is equal to its circumference. And we know the formula for circumference, pi into diameter. Here diameter is given, so we are applying the formula for diameter. Diameter into pi is equal to circumference. Now put the value. Pi is 22 by 7. Diameter is 1.12. You can see that 7 is dividing it by 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 42. 0.16 times. 7 is dividing 1.12 by 0.16 times. Now 22 into 0.16. 3.52 meter. This is the distance covered in one rotation only. Then how much distance it will cover in 500 rotation? The 500 will be multiplied with it. So you can find it. Distance covered in 500 rotations will be equal to 500 into 3.52. By multiplying, you will get here 5 2s are 10, 1 carry on, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26, 2 carry on, 5 3s are 15, 2 17. 1760 meter. After that decimal double zero will come. After decimal, if there is zero only, there is no value of it. That is why I am writing only this one. 1760 meter. Okay, understood the concept? The main concept is this one. Distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference. Now see the question number 8 of your exercise. The radius of a wheel of a cycle is 70 meter. Now here radius is given 70 meter. It takes 5 minutes to make 300 rotation. The wheel of the cycle is making 300 rotations in 5 minutes. Then find the speed of the cycle in kilometer per hour. Children, we know the formula for speed. Distance upon time. Here time is given 5 minutes. If we can find the distance in 300 rotation, then very easily we can find the speed. And how to find the distance in 300 rotation? We know that distance in one rotation is equal to circumference. Therefore, distance in 300 rotation will be 300 into circumference. Now solve your question. Distance covered in 300 rotations will be equal to 300 into circumference. Is this point understood or not? Because circumference is the distance covered in one rotation. Distance covered in one rotation is circumference. So distance covered in 300 rotations will be 300 will be multiplied with circumference. Now find the value of distance. 300 into 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 70. 2 pi r is the formula for circumference. R is the radius which is given in the question. Okay. Now solve it. 7 dividing 70 by 10 times. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12 and 13. And then 1 2 3. 3 times 0. See children. If we convert it into kilometer, it will become 132 kilometer, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 132,000 will be divided by 1000, then you will get 132. So distance in 300 rotation is 132 kilometer. In your question, time has been given 5 minutes. Children, when minute is divided by 60, then it becomes hour. Okay. So 5 1 5 12. 5 minutes means 1 by 12 hour. Now we have distance also and time also. We can find the speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Now solve it and get your answer. This 12 will be multiplied with above. 12 will be multiplied with 132. This kilometer per hour. 1584 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the wheel of the cycle. Okay. Now note down these questions. Okay. Now see question number 9 of your exercise. How many revolutions would a cycle wheel of diameter 1.6 meter make to cover a distance of 352 meter? That means if the wheel is covering 352 meters, then how many revolutions it will take? See children, the question is very simple. Children, we can find the distance covered in one revolution. We can find the distance covered in one revolution because diameter is given. And we know that distance in one revolution is equal to the circumference. If total distance is divided by distance covered in one revolution, total distance is divided by distance covered in one revolution, then we can find the number of revolutions. This is the technique here. See children, diameter is given 1.6 meter. We have to find number of revolutions. We know that number of revolutions can be found by total distance divided by distance in one rotation, distance in one revolution. This is the technique. Total distance covered is divided by distance in one revolution, and here total distance is given 352 meter. and distance in one revolution will be equal to circumference. Okay, distance in one revolution of a wheel is equal to circumference, and we know the formula for circumference also. That means number of revolutions will be equal to 352 upon circumference is equal to pi into diameter. Pi means 22 by 7, diameter is 1.6. Is this understood? This is the concept, children. Number of revolutions will be equal to total distance upon distance in one revolution, and distance in one revolution is equal to circumference, and since diameter is given, we can find the circumference, pi into diameter. Now solve it and get your answer. You can see that this 7 will be multiplied with numerator, so you will get here 352 into 7 upon 22 into 1.6. Okay, when this decimal is removed, 10 will be multiplied with numerator. To make our calculation easy, I have removed this decimal. From denominator, if decimal is removed, then 10 will be multiplied in numerator, because in denominator after decimal only one digit is there. Now solve and get your answer. 16 dividing 352 by 16 2 ja 32, 16 2 ja 32 by 22 times. Now this 22 is divided by 22, that means 10 into 7, 70. So 70 revolutions will be done here. Understood? Now see the question number 10. A wire is bent in the form of a square of side 16.5 centimeter. Suppose that one wire is taken and in this way it is made a square and its side is 16.5. Understood? Wire is bent in the form of a square and having the side 16.5 centimeter. Now this wire is straightened. This wire is straightened and bent in the form of a circle. This wire is now, this square is closed, open, and it is converted in the form of a circle. Then what is the radius of the circle? We have to find the radius. Children, you can see that though the shapes are different, but then also the length of the wire is same in the both case. The wire length, what is here, the same length of the wire is in the form of circle also. In the case of a square, the length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the square. And in the case of a circle, the length of the wire is equal to circumference of the circle. It means in this question, circumference of the circle is equal to perimeter of the square. This is the concept which you have to understand. Circumference of the circle is equal to perimeter of the square, because length of the wire is same in both the cases. The same wire is used to make the circle. So see how to solve. Let the radius of circle be r centimeter. Now what is the concept here? Circumference will be equal to perimeter of square. This is the concept here. Circumference of the circle is 2 into pi into r. Perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Now put the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 4 into 16.5 centimeter. Now find the value of r. This 7 will be cross multiplied. 4 into 16.5 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 into 22 will become denominator. Now 2 dividing 4 by 2 times, 2 dividing 22 by 11 times, 11 dividing 16.5 by 1.5 times. So radius is equal to 1.5 into 7 means 10.5 centimeter. That means radius of the circle will be equal to 10.5 centimeter. Okay, must see the question carefully and solve many times so that you can solve these type of questions. Okay, note down. Now see the last question of the exercise. The wheel of a car rotated 1000 times in traveling 1.76 kilometer. Then find the radius of the wheel. Children, in this question, total number of revolutions is given. Here, the number of rotation is 1000 and total distance is also given. Total distance is 1.76 kilometer and question is asking the radius of the wheel. Children, we know that to find the number of rotation, the total distance is divided by distance in one round. This we have seen. Number of rotations is equal to total distance upon distance in one rotation. It means by cross multiplication you can see that distance in one rotation will be equal to total distance upon number of rotation. This we can do. And distance in one rotation is equal to circumference. Circumference means 2 into pi into r. Is this point understood? Distance in one rotation is equal to 2 into pi into r. R is the radius. In this question, suppose that let the radius be r meter. Suppose r meter. Then convert this total distance into meter. 1.76 will be multiplied by 1000, then it will become meter. That means 1760 meter. Okay. Now put the value here. Total distance is 1760 meter upon 1000. Put the value of pi also. We know that pi is equal to 22 by 7. That means r is equal to, when 1000 dividing 1760, you will get 1.76. This 7 will be multiplied here upon 22 into 2. This is in meter. You can see that denominator is greater than numerator. So change this meter into centimeter by multiplying 100. So this becomes centimeter. It means you have to suppose the radius in centimeter. You will suppose the radius in centimeter. Now solve and get your answer. When 100 is multiplied by 1.76, it will become 176. Okay. Now 22 dividing 176 by 8 times. 22 is dividing 176 by 8 times and 2 dividing 8 by 4 times. That means radius is equal to 7 into 4, 28. That means 28 centimeter is the radius of the wheel. Okay. Your first exercise is over, children. Must do practice well for these questions. On the next turn, we will start the next exercise. Bye bye.